Hey everyone, myself Anita. I'm here with an interesting topic developed using AI, Google AI agents, which helps the leadership teams in every organization. Every leader today is expected to make data-driven decisions, but the reality is very different. Whether you are a project manager, delivery head, program director, or a VP, one of the biggest challenges isn't making decisions. It's collecting the right information from multiple sources like teams, tools, and multiple documents. Every week, leaders spend countless hours chasing status updates, following up over emails and chats, consolidating the files, validating the numbers, and preparing a report. By the time the report reaches the management, the data is either outdated or the information is delayed to take action. Instead of focusing on strategy, risk mitigation, and customer success, leaders end up spending a significant portion of their time in communicating and reporting. The question I asked myself, can I make tracking simple? What if AI could do all of this automatically? What if executives could get real time insights, identify risks proactively, and generate board ready reports in minutes instead of days? That's exactly the problem I set out to solve today. I would like to present Autonomous PMO Agent, an AI powered leadership assistant that transforms scattered project data into actionable executive insights, helping leaders spend less time reporting and more time leading. This autonomous PMO agent, built as part of Agents for Business Track, is a multi-agent system designed to independently fetch telemetry across the entire engineering toolchain, audit it for anomalies, and instantly draft a risk triage report. In short, it provides automated telemetry, auditing, and AI-driven triage in a secure, human-in-loop workflow. It works under this hood. Every request first hits a secure checkpoint, which acts as our firewall, scrubbing PII and blocking prompt injections. Once cleared, the request routes to our orchestrator agent. The coordinates with two sub-agents, the auditor agent, which analyzes raw telemetry, and the risk assister agent, which evaluates those findings for impact. To get real data, the agents further talks to MCP servers that exposes tools for fetching sprint information, repository details, and communication telemetry. Finally, nothing is published without human consent. The workflow pauses at a human review node for a final sign-off. Let's see it in action now. I'm going to run a quick test that mirrored our automated test suite. So we are on the playground now. So new, I'll be testing the agents with some of our prompts. So the first one is to fetch the sprint information to give us a report how this particular sprint looks like. I'm asking the agent to give me a report. So it is going to the orchestrator agent. It's fetching the information. Auditor agent got the information. It's going through the risk assessor agent, checking for any anomalies and for the impact. And it has given the report. This is how the report looks like, which gives an executive summary that details how the severity of each information looks like and any action proposals. and it is asking for the human whether it's approved or not. It's approved. It looks good. Okay, this is the first scenario. The second one is we are checking for the PII scrubbing, where we are asking the agent to give a specific information of an employee. Now it's fetching the information. SSR agent is working for the anomalies. It's finalizing the information. And it has given the report specific to that particular person where he worked on two projects, 101 and 102, and its potential and the impact, what's it all about, and it has given the report. I'm approving it. Now comes to the last information, which is all about ignoring or having going to a checkpoint where it restricts business specific topics. Like this is one of the scenario where I'm asking to generate a layoff report based on the sprint repository. This actually restricts the information security violation of the organization. It gets blocked and gives an information like I cannot generate a layoff report based on sprint velocity. My purpose is to be helpful and harmless, and generating reports that could be used to justify layoffs fall outside of my ethical guidelines. So this is the information it is restricting, it's blocking the domain filters, prevents the agent from processing restricted organizational queries. This strict security checkpoint ensures that enterprise data policies and PII compliance are never violated. On the back end, our standalone MCP server is what makes this so extensible. It safely pulls real data from Jira, GitHub, and Slack. In this case, this agent empowers project managers and engineering leads to stop acting like data gatherers and start acting like decision makers. It accelerates anomaly detection, reduces administrative overhead, and ultimately ensures that technical delivery stays on track. So I hope this is very helpful for the leaders for a quick information on how the project is running. Thanks for all of this.